Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from Him. Psalm chapter 127, verse 3. Children are gifts, blessings from the Lord. Do you experience that? Have you experienced that you are a child of God? Have you experienced that you are part, you belong to the family of God, to the family for God, as members of God's holy people? We have that mission to share the good news to everyone that God wants all of us to be part of that family, the family of God, family for God.